Hi, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great and you all are preparing very hard for your upcoming CFA exams. So all those who are our YouTube subscribers and members, for them, especially for the members, I have released a 50-hour recording of my fast track revision course of around 50 hours where I've covered the entire curriculum in a nutshell from my revision book, which has been sold in more than 35 countries. And in the same course, I've covered more than 400 questions, the top listed questions, which I believe are very important for your upcoming exams. So if you're preparing for your upcoming CFA Level 1 exams and if you want to cover the entire curriculum in around 40 to 50 hours, I would recommend you to join our membership and get access to these recordings. Along with this, if you still want to buy the material or any of the resources, you can please go to our website and you can get a plethora of information as well as materials available for you to buy. This is exclusive recording of my revision from the previous batch, and it is also relevant for your 2025 as well as for the upcoming 2026 because the syllabus hasn't changed. So get the most benefit of this very affordable lectures. Of course, they are not completely free. They are for the membership, and in that membership, you can very much cover your entire curriculum. So prepare well, invest your time and money in the right direction and get prepared for the upcoming exams. And I'll see you when you pass the upcoming CFA Level 1 exams. All the best. Have a nice day. Take care.